Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Edit's Instagram app on PC. Alright, so let's begin. Since Edits is designed primarily as a mobile application, you'll need an Android emulator to run it on your computer. Popular free options include BlueStacks and LD Player. In this example, we'll use BlueStacks. Start by opening your browser and searching for BlueStacks or LD Player. Visit the official website and download the installer. Once the file finishes downloading, run it and follow the installation steps just like you would with any normal desktop application. After the installation is complete, open the emulator. It will launch an interface that works similarly to an Android phone or tablet. From there, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator and sign in with your Google account just as you would on a mobile device. Next, search for the Edits app or its full app name in the Play Store. Once you find it, click Install and wait for the app to download. After installation finishes, the app icon should appear inside the emulator's app drawer. Open it and begin using it exactly as you would on your phone. You can now edit photos and videos, create social media style content, and manage your projects directly from your computer, and that's it. This is how you can download Edit's Instagram app on PC. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.